Hi boys and girls, today we are talking about long E vowel patterns. We know that long vowels say their name. So long E says E. So far, we know two patterns that can make that long E sound. We talked about E consonant E or E with a silent E, like in the word Eve. And then last week we talked about the vowel team E-E. And the rule is E-E says E, like in the word feet. Today we're going to learn about a third long E vowel pattern, and that is E-A, like in the word eat. The rule is E-A says E. Say it with me. E-A says E. Sometimes EA can make another sound, but today we are just focusing on EA making that long E sound. So I can find that EA vowel pattern at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, and also at the end of a word. Let's look at some examples. This word is east, east, and I can see the EA is right there at the beginning. This word is beak, beak, and the EA is in the middle of the word there. And this word is see, and I can see there that the EA is at the end. So, now we know that when we hear the long E sound, it could be E consonant E, EE, or EA. Let's read some EA words. We're going to do a few together. Ready? Leap, leap. Clean, clean. Squeak, squeak. You're going to do the rest on your own, and then we're going to go over them. Ready? All right, let's review those. Meal, meal. Plead, plead. Steal, steal. Preach, preach, because I know that the CH is making the ch sound. T, jeans, eat, wheat. And I also know that that WH sound makes the W sound. All right, let's read some sentences. We're going to do this first one together, and then I want you to see if you can do the second one on your own. Ready? I will string teal beads. All right, go ahead. Do the second one. That was long. Let's do it together now. Ready? The track team ran on the beach to get into shape. And notice there, boys and girls, there's a silent E, making the A say its name. Remember we learned about that a few weeks ago? Great job. Now we are going to spell some words. I would like you to grab a pencil and a piece of paper. Pause the video if you need to. Now remember, if you don't have a pencil or paper or anything to write with, you can always pretend write with your finger in the air or on the table. We're going to do one together. Now, remember, before you write any words down, I want you to break the word apart on your fingers. Since E, A together are making one special sound, when I break a word apart, E, A should get one finger. Let me show you what I mean. If the word is reach, I want to break it like this. R, E, ch. Because in the word reach, there are three sounds. Again, R, E, ch. And then if I were to write that using sound boxes, one box for each sound, it would look like this. R, first letter. E, that second sound, and I know that's going to be the E-A vowel team. R, E, ch. And my third sound is ch, which I know is the C-H digraph. Reach. All right, get ready to do the rest on your own, and we'll go over them together at the end. All right, your word is treat, like trick or treat. Ready? Treat. Break it apart. Go ahead and write it down. And remember, if you need more time, pause the video and then start it again when you are ready. Right, your next word is each. Just two sounds in that word. Each. Your next word is leash, like a dog leash. Steam, like steam from the teapot. Steam. And your last word is least, like I had the least amount. Ready? Least. Let's go over those words together. The first word that you did was treat. Eat. I've got a TR blend at the beginning. I've got that long E sound, which we know is the EA vowel pattern, and it ends with a t. Eat, treat. Your next word was each. Each. I hear that long E sound first, which I know is my EA vowel pattern, and then it's ending with a ch, which I know is CH. Your next word was leash. L-E-sh. I hear an L. I hear that E-A, long vowel pattern, and then it ends with sh, which I know is S-H. Leash. Your next word was steam. S-T-E-M. I've got an ST blend at the beginning. I've got that long E vowel pattern next, and then it ends with steam. And then your last word was least. Least. Starts with the L. I've got EA vowel pattern, and then I've got an ST blend at the end. Least. Good job. Now the last thing we're going to do is I'm going to read a sentence out loud, and I want you to write that sentence down on your paper. Make sure that you are starting with a capital letter and ending with a period. I'll read the first part of the sentence, give you a minute to write it down, and then I'll read the second part. Ready? I will bring cake. I will bring cake. I will bring cake. And the last part of that sentence is to the feast. To the feast. So the whole sentence was, I will bring cake to the feast. Pause the video if you need another minute to check. All right, let's go over it together. I will bring cake to the feast. For bring, BR, and then I've got ing says ing. For cake, I've got that long A sound, so I need that silent E. And then in the word feast, I'm hearing that long E, which I know is EA vowel pattern. Feast. Make sure that your sentence looks like mine. Great job today, boys and girls. Today we learned about another long E vowel pattern, EA. So now we know 3 patterns that make the E sound. E consonant E, EE, and EA. You can practice reading and spelling more EA words in your module on day 2. I'll see you guys next week.